Hi Raghu, where are you?
Yes.
I know. What place is this?
Alasket
Appalachian Trail?
Mountain.
No, it's 80. Appalachian Trail.
Alasket.
McAfee Knob. Yeah, let's go. Come.
Where's Alasket Mountain?
Alaska Mountain, we'll do it. When you're 20 years old, you will do Alaska. Over here.
I
this
don't
way.
want to do Alaska anymore.
Okay. Wait. Okay, just stand here. Look. Yeah.
This is McAfee Mountain?
McAfee Knob.
Mama, this is 80 number?
Hmm?
It's how many numbers are going to go top? Huh?
Oh, you mean miles?
Yeah, how many numbers?
Numbers, no? I don't know.
It's 100? Huh?
What number?
No, when you go up to the mountain, how many miles?
Okay, yeah. That's 3.4 miles something. Almost 4 miles.
3.4 miles we
Yeah.
came here.
Yes, we are going back now. Okay, say bye-bye to McAfee.
Bye-bye, McAfee Mountain. Bye-bye. See you. See you.
After 20 years.
See you after 20 years. Bye-bye. McAfee Mountain. Bye-bye.
McAfee.
Mwah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, come.
Bye-bye. Let's go mountain.
Yay, we are going down. No running, please.
Yeah, we're going down.
Alright, keep going.
Oh, yeah. So, which side?
So look, our 311 parking lot is 3.9 miles there. Can you stand here? Do you see on the tree? Look here.
Bye-bye. Let's go mountain. See you by 20 years.
Look here. Yeah, come. Keep going, keep going.
Bye-bye. Alaska.
Alright, voice down. Okay? Till we reach the parking lot, we have to keep our voice down.
Which time we reach down?
We'll reach there in 1 hour. What's the time now?
1 hour 30 minutes.
No, it's just 1 hour. What is the time now?
3:45.
Yeah, by 4:45 we'll be down. Is your leg paining? Watch, don't fall. Just go gradually, okay? No jumping, so that you won't lose your energy fast. Okay? Always on the gradual mode. Wait, hold on. Hold my hands. Okay. step by
By
step.
the time I reach home, what time it will be? 8 something.
It's from the parking lot. It's like 3 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah. Careful, Raghu. It's slippery here. Go slow. Hold my hands, please. Take it slow.
Which side here?
No, not this side. This way.
You're down?
Yeah, this way. See, getting down is always easy.
Why?
Only climbing up is hard.
Why, Amma? Why?
That's law of nature. Yep. If you want to sit, if you want to take a break, we can sit for some time.
Yeah.
Or shall we keep going till the parking lot?
Yeah. We are going down. Down.
Going down. So, what will you miss when you go from here?
Shankari, Amma, look at me. At April 13, shall we go to Shiva Vishnu temple?
Sure.
What? At April 13, Shiva
Okay.
Vishnu.
We'll go with Daddy. Okay?
On train
Okay, tell
or
me.
car, Amma?
Keep it down. Keep it down.
On train or car?
Should not attack the animals.
In train or car?
We'll go by train. You like it by train or car?
Train.
Huh?
Train.
Okay, we'll go by train.
The animals.
Hmm? Okay, tell me what will you miss when you go from here?
Miss. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
You don't miss anything?
I miss.
Do you miss your friends
Yeah.
when you go to India?
Yeah, I guess so.
Which friends do you miss?
I miss Grant. So that's why. So we can stay in India forever.
So you'll miss Grant and
Arula, Ashley,
Arula, Ashley and
Rizwan.
Razan?
Yeah, that's 4.
Okay. So they are best friends. How about Arush, Srihan?
And miss everybody.
Huh?
So that's why we have to stay in India forever.
Oh, watch your step.
Shankari,
Mm-hmm.
we'll keep going in underground. Huh? Amma, what does underground mean? Huh?
Underground.
Huh?
Under the ground. Underground.
Underground means train goes into the tunnel.
Yeah, but not here. We are on the mountain now. Khataba Valley or something. This trail path is Appalachian. The famous trail path which covers like almost 14 states, I guess. Mhm. Thank you. Ouch. My feet is paining. Is it paining for you?
Amma, Lucas said kill her. Luca.
Lugo said that?
Yeah, Lucas said.
Why did he say?
He said he's going to kill me, and then that's so bad. Hard word. I hate that word.
I know, but why? What made him to tell that? Did you do anything?
Because he said I'm bad.
Why?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'd never be bad. I'd be only.
So he was just, you guys were sitting on class or playing. What were you doing?
No, he was not playing.
Okay, so when did he say
He's
this?
just joking. That's it. He's
Oh.
just joking.
So he just said that for a joke and he was like laughing at you?
Yeah. It's not.
Tell him not to use such statements. Okay? Tell him nicely. I don't like it, don't say all that. Okay?
He doesn't have anything. He said the soldier.
Oh, so he. Okay, role play. He's a soldier.
He's not a soldier.
Mm-hmm.
Soldiers are grown-ups.
Okay.
Only police grown-ups be soldiers.
Ouch. Ow. Are we going on the right path?
Are we?
Hey, we have to turn here. See?
We should turn?
Yes, not that side.
Why?
This side.
Why not?
See the mark. See the mark is very, very important. That over there, do you see those 4 sticks there? Which means that it's not allowed. Also, there is no white patch on any trees nearby.
When is
So
it?
this is the right path. Careful.
Why the sticks? Because there's no mark.
Yeah, always have to see. There's another patch over there.
Just
So
to
this is the right path. Yeah.
that one?
Yeah. Do you see this mark?
Yeah.
It's so nice. People take care.
How about that one?
Wow.
How about that Potama?
Yeah. Keep going straight. This is how. No. Keep going straight here.
Well, it's an indicator.
Yeah, and the path is here. Do you see the path?